Hi, welcome to Windy's World. This is LaShonda Windy, and in today's video, I'll be going over state taxes, federal taxes, and the IRS. If you are in business, I am talking to you. Attention everybody who pays income taxes or federal and state tax returns. This is for any owner, CEO, CFO, entrepreneur in any business structure, example, sole proprietor, corp, LLC, LLP, etc., small business, large business, CPAs, fivefold ministries, industries. If you're doing something to get paid, I'm talking to you. You need to share this on your social media pages as well. If you are in ministry, you should be sharing this to your members. If you are the head of the company, you should be sharing this to your people. And everybody should be sharing this with their family members, immediate and extended. Before I go any further, could you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications? I want to show you this particular man's page, which is on YouTube channel, and he has a website. His name is Mr. Pete Hendrickson. This is his page. I'm already subscribed. You need to click on that subscribe button and turn your notifications on his page. When you go to his page, you will see videos, let me see, of individuals that bought his book that he wrote back, I think in 2001, 2002. Sorry if I quoted it wrong. And have learned the educated or correct filing way to file the taxes. They study on their sales and research on their sales and have been getting countless refund checks back from the IRS after finding out the real and the appropriate way to file your taxes. And this is not just your federal taxes, this is your state taxes. I'm getting everything back. So let's go to his website, because I want you to know how to get this information. His website is losthorizons.com. You click on it, and this is what you will see. You need to study the mess out of this website. But I also want you to see the victories. See all these different checks? These are just examples of people that were boldly. See, they on YouTube too. But these are people that boldly share what the IRS said they owed, and then turned around and refund them back. You need to get the knowledge and the wisdom understanding out their book. I mean, checks about checks. Look, from states too. You need to get this book. These are the states that have knowledge, the truth that that's coming out of this book. And you need to be educated on this as well. But if you want to see how far back this goes, he called this the Lost Horizon Bulletin Board. If you go back to his home page, losthorizons.com, and type in this search, you would type in bulletin board. So you already had typed it in, and hit search. Okay, I need to click on it. And you clicked on this first link, and it shows the honor roll, he called it. Real victories for the rule of law and the restoration of the constitutionally limited republic by real American grown-ups who know that if you're not standing up, then you're standing down. These are actually individual Americans that have found out the truth about their book and have applied it. Peter said to be established in present truth. After you learn truth, you apply truth. That does not mean just to the word of God. It means to anything that you found deemed good and acceptable to God. and you apply it to your life. Look at this. 18. My husband and I has been filing like this since 2017 after we found out. But 16, I'm talking about 15, 13, 12, 2009, 2002. I mean, countless stuff. But if you want to know, hey, how are they filing? I'm just going to, show you a little something. This person, Mr. Jacob, he says Jacob shares his latest 2 victories consisting of complete refunds from both Utah and the feds for 2019. And here's that filing. So let's see, what did he file? Wow. So he had income, but it was a reason why he put this. You need to find out why. There's a reason why he acknowledged what he paid. See line 17, federal income tax withheld from forms W-2 and 1099. You see that? After he found out it was right, substitute for form W-2 wage and tax statement or the 1099 or blah 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 blah. So he fixed it. Study this man's website, study and read their book. Even if you're a tax accountant, do not have the mindset, well, I'm gonna let my tax accountant look at that. No, because if the tax accountant was trained by the companies that learned from the IRS on how to go forth and set up these payroll procedures, then they don't know. That's like they acting like a Uncle Tom. So no, you need to find out and study this knowledge yourself. See that 2899, the same thing that was on there, the federal had gave back. And then there's state of Utah gave it back. I mean, look, again, these are the states that have already acknowledged it. Look at this legend down here. States that have acknowledged the realities of the income tax. So that's the green. States that haven't yet done so. That's these gray areas. States with a very limited income tax. And then states that don't even try to collect an income tax, because they already know the truth. So what's the point of taxing the people? But on federal level, you are going to have to learn why you must file a tax return. If somebody throws a 1099 or W-2 on you, you must file. Do not have the mindset, well, I'm not going to file anymore. If you know that somebody could possibly put that on you, which you'll learn out the book. And then what you also need to know is why these people filing this way and putting that on there. What does it mean to be federally privileged? What does indirect tax mean? What does excise tax mean? You need to understand and hit this giant in the head, just like David did. You need to understand, I have told you the truth. And when you find out the truth yourself, please share with everybody you know. Please go to these head companies, these big businesses, and let the people know what they're doing. You are only taxed if you involve yourself in taxable activity. How do you know what's taxable activity? Like I said, you need to get this man's book. Let me show you where you can purchase his book at. I hope it's on this first page. Let's see. The book looks like this. You see, look at his picture right here. Internal Revenue Service. Don't pay attention to Joe back there. He's just cleaning up the office. You pay attention to me. So it's like the IRS wanna bluff. This cracking the code book is nothing but false and frivolous. Of course they're gonna say that. But yet back here, they sending them refunds back. Remember, I just showed you victories. All these people, let me go back to the bulletin. All these people that's getting checks back. All of them. Go get your money. Now going back to where to purchase this book. This campaigns against the CTC. Order now. Right here. Let's see if I can shrink this some. This is the man's page on how you can purchase his products and his books. Right here you can get the books right here. If you look over here to the right side of the screen, order, calculator, checkout. The books are $30, or if you're buying in bulk, the prices go down. If you want the book back quickly to you, add $8 to each book / CD package or shirt. But if you want to wait 1 to 5 weeks for a book, then hey, now every time I purchase the book, I do expedite it. I put that right here. So if you want one book, it's gonna show 38 because you already had clicked on expedited. Calculate order. He still tell you to calculate order to make sure the number's right. If you want 10 books, look, they already tell it. Look, he said it's cheaper to buy 12 books. So okay, let's do 12. Calculate $330. The way he accept funds is to make your check or money order to D. Hendrickson, 232 Oriole Street, Commerce. I don't know what that stands for. Yeah, Michigan 48382. I think it stands for a township. But anyways, note, paying with cash, money order, or certified check will prevent order processing delays. He want the funds right there. But if you do not pay that way, just expect a delay. All I'm saying is, if you want the book quickly coming back to you, expedite it. I mean, it really don't take that long. Make sure you put a little note in there. You give him your email so you can join his newsletter, which he does tell you that. Let me see. See right here to the left, payment options. Be sure to tell us what you are ordering. You can print this screen for that purpose, but specify shirt sizes as needed. That's if you buy the t-shirt, and the U.S. mailing address to which you would like your order sent. I mean, he's just telling you. Many local bookstores will be happy to order for you. Books only. Just give them this ISBN number for cracking the code, or the upholding the law, or was grandpa really a moron? These are the different books he written. What I'm telling you right now, to hit that giant in the head, the IRS, cracking the code, that's what the book you need to read first. And he said, if they don't, he said, just tell the bookstores the ISBN. And right here he said, and they'll do the rest. If you are told the books are unavailable, it is because the store limits its sourcing. It simply doesn't want to bother going outside its usual procedures to serve its customers. In such a case, order is shown to the left. So he directs you. And this is his pricing and discounts right here. I mean, ministries, after you see this truth, you just need to send a love offering. Millionaires, billionaires, send a love offering after you find out this truth, because he went through a lot of persecution sharing this truth to other people from the IRS, from the certain people of the government, in the government. So you need to be able to just tell him thank you. I personally talked to this author, Pete Hendrickson, and asked him different questions, because I was like, man, we need to get this out here. I understand your urgency to get this out here. So I'm like, you got to have some type of online course. Do you have that? So he's presented that to me. Now, if you want that, then you need to click on the link below and get it. And in that, And also, you're not only just going to get the links that he said that breaks down the book. If you don't want to read a book, you still need to put the book in your hand though. And he give quizzes to make sure you understand what he's saying. If you don't though, if you don't want to read the book and you prefer the online version or his links or videos, he sent that to me. If you would like to see how we filed our taxes for 2018 and 2019 and how Mr. P explained it online through his links, because it's his content, then you need to click on the link below in the description. I would not share this anywhere. Make sure to share with your followers, tell everybody you know. Click on Mr. P. Hendrickson's subscription on YouTube. And also click on ours. Because if I know the truth, I share truth. Thanks. Bye.